How to fix Facebook memory not showing an anniversary. So to fix Facebook memories not showing on your anniversary, the first thing what you can do is adjust memory and AI settings. Just open your Facebook app on your device, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then select memories or tap see more if you do not see it right away. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down to allow AI restyle memory suggestion and then turn it off. Then restart the Facebook app and wait a few minutes for memories to reindex. Now the next thing what you can do is in the same memories settings via the gear icon, set your notification label to all memories so any alerts are not blocked. Now the next thing what you can do is on your iOS device, just go to your settings, then tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage, then find Facebook from the list. Now tap upload app, then tap upload app to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the Facebook app and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.